Hello and welcome to this Studio Brootle video. Here I'm going to run through this Electro Construction Kit I've made for Ableton Live 12. It's 8 channels, 8 different racks. It's what you can hear in the background basically. But yeah, if you are going to get it, there'll be a discount code and link below. It'll be like 25% off, so you should definitely use that. And so yeah, let's get into it. So basically what this is I've made a couple of construction kits before. It's everything you need for this loop, the loop you can hear in the background, and every single channel has its own rack and macro set up, which you can see here. I'll just solo them all so you can hear them first. So there's a kick, it's like an 808 style kick. None of these are samples, they're all made, and you've all got macros to tweak them. I'll show you the macros in a minute. So yeah, you've got the kick, hats, again 808 style, like a clap snare, and a sub bass that's really quite low. It's like a low, it's got a pitch envelope in it. I don't know if you can hear it. Again, it's really low. If I turn it up you might hear it. You need good headphones. And then sort of, I've described this as a Drexciya style pad. It's got some pitch envelopes and loads of band pass modulation and filter modulation stuff, and loads of unison. And then it's got this lead sequence, which is made like an analog in Ableton analog with the sequencer. And then this sort of analog style, well, it's a Wavetable synth, but it's sort of analog style using the basic shapes. Big sort of low tone. And then a sort of chord stab. And together they sound like this. So yeah, basically you've got those 8 channels, and they've all got you've all got a rack for each channel, which I've set up all the important macros to tweak them. I'll go through the macros real quick, probably not all of them. So like for the chord stab, you've got like, it's glitching out a bit, sorry, yeah. And you've got all the important things basically. You've got like reverb mix, distortion controls, everything you need. On this tone, you've got just loads of basically the most important things to tweak the sounds. You can hear me tweaking them there. And you can just add a load of distortion if you want. Then on the lead sequence, if you're going to tweak it, I would definitely come in, and this would be the place to. So most of these things are got MIDI. Obviously, you just import MIDI, but this input MIDI. But this has got the SQ sequencer, so you can just come in here, switch on different notes, and start to draw in different notes and change stuff. It's quite a cool sound this, and you've got all the loads of macros to tweak it up the front. I won't run through them all, but you get the gist of it. So basically, this is Ableton analog, but it's got like it's got loads of processing, like a beat repeat and stuff, so it doesn't sound similar every bar. But it's got this sample and hold thing. This really resonant filter that jumps about. It's on a 1/16th note, so it jumps about. Every different note on the sequencer is playing a different resonant, a different step on the filter. And most of those are controlled up here. It says S&H filter, so you can turn the resonance up. So yeah, you've got that's giving it a lot of character basically, but it's an analog sound on Ableton analog, sawtooth, sequencer, and a bandpass. Then you've got this pad which I mentioned before, which is like it's a Wavetable patch. This has also got quite a resonant filter, but it's a bandpass filter, and most of the important things there on the macros as well, like the drive, and various distortions and stuff like that for like a really thick woolly pad, and the pitch envelope as well. That can lead to like these really sort of, I don't know, I call it like a Drexciya sound. It's what you got on Drexciya records, like quite a nice pitch envelope in a pad. And then this sub bass, again, I hope you can hear that with headphones. It's quite loud on my good headphones. It's got loads of drive and crunch and stuff, and loads of distortions, but it's quite a simple sound. It's a couple of sine waves, and you can control it all there. And then just a fairly standard hat made in Ableton Operator with white noise, loads of macros. I think I took up all the macro slots with this one. Just loads of little ways you can tweak a snare drum so you can make it your own. Hi-hat as well is similar. I won't go through everything on it, but it's a simple hi-hat made out of white noise, but quite a lot of things you can tweak. And yeah, the kick drum, it's like an 808 kick drum. Yeah, and you can make it quite chirpy and with the pitch envelope. That's too much. But you can sort of find the sweet spot with the pitch envelope. And then it's got a raw unit, which I've used the multi-band mode, which I quite like. So you can distort the different bands, basically. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, basically that's 8 channels of 8 different racks to make up this loop, and so yeah, you can tweak it, and so you basically can recreate this loop and make a full track basically, and tweak it as much as you like and make a bunch of tracks. So yeah, that's it from me. I hope you find this useful. It'll be quite cheap, I think, well under €20 and $20. I'll get it on the store soon. So yeah, that's it from me. I hope you find this useful, and I hope you can find use for it in your music. So yeah, that's it from me. Have a good day and good luck with your music making. Take care. Goodbye.